In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Getresponse to deliver my bonuses to Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other affiliate buyers who buy via my link. So what I do, I create a form, I create a Google Doc, and I send the form link as a bonus. So I sign them up to my list, so I increase my list size, and at the same time, they can also get the bonuses free of charge. So the first thing we do is we create a form. So I'll click on create and go to form. There's a link down to Getresponse down below, and also I'll put a link down to a training course that I made for Getresponse that covers all the basics, including autorespond and automation. It's completely free, and I'm just giving it as a bonus to give a bit of value to the subscribers, to my subscribers even. So we click on create form, and it's a demo account anyway. So we'll go to these are the templates. Just want a very basic, simple form. I'll go for the most basic. Let me just say, for example, this one here, use template. This is a free report. I'll go to this one. This one I used in my little training video. So I'll click on that. If you've ever bought anything via my links, you may have seen a similar form. So let me just change this up here. I don't know what I've done there. Let's say, where should, can't spell, I send your bonuses? And then you can have just email address or email address and name. I prefer to have both. You don't need anything else really. That's fine as it is. Then you go to settings. So you give it a name. Let's say it's for product XYZ. So product XYZ bonus. You choose the list. So this is important. So the list that you want them to subscribe to. So I would normally put it onto a buyers list. I'll put it on my demo list for now. When you're doing bonuses and stuff, it's a bit complicated to do a confirmed opt-in. So I normally go for single opt-in. You can also, if you want autorespond, you can add them to the autoresponder for this list. So in this case, I haven't got an autoresponder for this list. And then this is where you give your bonus URL. So you choose your thank you page. So for this one, you choose custom. Also, if they're already subscribed, choose custom again. And we create a Google document. So I just made a demo document here. And I just put a little message here, thank you for purchasing, blah blah blah. So this is your bonus, so bonus training video. So I'll go to my YouTube channel. Let me just pick a random video. I'll copy the link, and then I'll put the link in here. Control K, Control V, apply. So that's bonus 1. Then bonus 2, just pretend I've got another link here. Control K, Control V, and that's it. So you can put what I like to add a bit more. So I had to give them access to my Facebook group or some other bonuses. So yeah, whatever. And then just to share and get link. So change it to anyone with link. Copy link. Done. Go back to get response. So put that in the box here. Oops. Did it twice. Control V there and Control V there. And that's fine. That's save. And then this is the important bit. This is where you publish. Give it a second. Now what I always do is I do Getresponse to host my form. So in the Warrior Plus field where it says bonus link, you put in this URL. Or in JVZoo you have to add the bonuses manually. You can just put product XYZ bonus and then put the form link in the link box. But with JVZoo you can add integration by API. You can do that, but just for this example, just say you're going to use this form to collect your leads and deliver your bonuses. So once they put in this URL, they'll be taken to a bonus page, put in the email, put in the name. So let's see, that's a demo email, name, test. So this one's already on the list. So it's going to take me to the bonuses anyway. So download now. And that's it, they're taken to the page, the Google document page, and this is where they can watch the video, watch the training or go to the course and look at any extras. That's a very easy, very straightforward, but very effective way of delivering bonuses. You can get a Getresponse account via the link below, and there's also a link below to get access to my full training course where I cover nearly all the features of Getresponse. Hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.